Have you ever thought of trading, but then this time round, you don't know what the appropriate lot size you would love to use depending on how much capital that you have? Well, in this video today, we're going to be looking at the easiest, perfect way you can literally enter the market, trade the market, get the right appropriate size to trade with while in the Forex market. This time round, you're not gonna experience the stress of calculations, because in our previous video we happened to release the information to give you the formulas of literally a person should use if they look forward, getting the appropriate lot size they would want to use. However, without any wastage of time, we're going to be looking at the simple, easy way any person can use, or an application or a website that is easily going to help you calculate your lot size with ease and with just a simple, click of the details, and you will definitely have the right appropriate lot size to use. My name is Sewankambo Isma. I do welcome you back to this particular channel. If you haven't subscribed onto our YouTube channel, please do, such that you enjoy this content. You can also click onto the bell such that you're among those few people that are notified whenever we happen to release such content. I'll get right away from how one can calculate their lot size with ease. But then, in simple terms, there arises a question. Do you know what lot size is? Before anyone enters the market, before you buy, before you sell, it is mandatory to know how much money you're going to expose into the market. Therefore, you need to calculate your position size. However, what we mean by lot size is we're literally looking at how much money you're going to enter into the market, because the unfortunate bit in trading, we don't have a specific point area where one needs to put $10 if they want, to expose the $10 into the market, but rather they have to put an equivalent of the lot size they would love to use, as their amount of money they would love to expose into the market. However, with the help of this simple website, simple application, you're going to be in position to know how to calculate your lot size easily, but then knowing how much money or which percentage of your capital you would love, to use when you are trading. So in simple terms, you're just going to go to your website. Rather, you're just simply going to go on your browser, just as you see on my laptop, and then type in my FX book. So this is the website. This is the application that you can use that can easily, help you calculate the lot size. So from there, it will bring different options, like you can see, position size calculator. That is the thing that we're looking for. It's gonna calculate our lot size. So leave alone the economic calendar. That is, if you need it, then this is also another advantage. Forex sentiment, Forex calculator, and so on and forth. This time round, we're focusing on only and only position size calculator. Why? It's the tool, it's the website, it's something that we need if we want to calculate our lot size. So from there, just come here and click continue, and then it will bring you these details. I'm being precise because I want to make this very productive and effective for whoever watches it. So first things first, when we talk of currency pair, this is the currency pair that you're going to trade. By the time you come here, you've already done your analysis on your MT4, MT5 trading view, whatever you've done your analysis from. Secondly, you must have determined already your entry point, that is your buy point, your sell point, and then you must have identified your stop loss point and then your take profit point. Then from that, you need to be knowing how much capital you're going to use and the percentage of your capital that would love to expose onto this trade. By that, you'll be then in position to have gotten yourself a lot size, which is the number one easy and of course shortest way possible for you to get the right appropriate lot size. So we're saying that if you're trading Euro USD, then click on Euro USD. If you're trading any pair, Euro ZAR, GBP, Australian dollar, GBP CAD, just choose any pair that you're trading. From there, select the capital, the account currency of your capital. So is your capital in dollars? Is your capital in euros? But most of the times we always go for the dollar, put a dollar. Put the amount size, of your capital. So this is what we call account size. So you can say my capital is maybe $5,000. Okay, you put there $5,000. Then from there, put a percentage of your capital that you would love to, to risk on this particular point. I can say I want to risk 2% of my capital. Then from there, make sure that you have calculated the number of pips from your entry point to where you're putting your stop loss. Put it there. If you're risking 40 pips, just put the 40 pips there and then come on to calculate. When you reach on to calculate, focus on this point, this figure here, which has sizing. So the lot size that I will definitely have to be using will be 0.25. Then go on where you have planned and then enter the market with this lot size of 0.25. So with that, that's the simple way on how you can calculate your lot size. However, we have put our contacts at the beginning of this video. In any case you happen to have any challenges, don't lose hope, don't lose focus, don't do things in the wrong way. Just contact us. We'll always be in position to help out. Have a lovely day. Enjoy.